Hello students, welcome back to my YouTube channel. So in this particular tutorial we are going to learn about the projection of rectangular plane ABCD, right? The dimension of the rectangular plane is given 50 mm by 100 mm, right? And its surface of plane inclined 45 degrees to HP, means its true length will be inclined 45 degrees to HP, and its shortest side edge in HP, means true length will be on XY reference line. So immediately we will draw it. Okay, so draw one reference line XY. Okay, click on snap, right? See my XY reference line, just give the naming, the text. Okay, select any point on the screen, point to height, and rotation angle is 0. So this is my basically X, and this is my Y reference line. So here this is VP, above X line there will be always VP, and with VP we always draw front. This is my HP. In HP I always draw top, right? Now press escape, right? So first of all draw a rectangle of 50 mm by 100 mm side. So go to this particular rectangle. Okay, select any point, because the side or edge in HP means left hand side will be basically perpendicular to XY. Okay, so here I have selected, right, and this is basically my uh, 50 by 100 mm rectangle. Okay, so you can check the dimensions. Okay, go to dimension, select arc line, and this particular point, this is basically 50 mm, right? Go to dimensions, right? Select this particular point, this is 100 mm. Okay, and convert this particular dimensions into cyan colors. Okay, so immediately whenever you are not able to see anything on the screen, just zoom it. Okay, if you want to return back to the original screen, just press Z, enter, A, enter. Now I am going to do the dimension, the text. Okay, I am going to click on the screen, right, and my specific height will be 0.1. I can also select 0.2, and rotation angle is 0. Okay, so this is my A, B, this particular point is 3, this particular point is 3, and this is my true shape. Once you draw true shape, your true length will be perpendicular, and true length will be a straight line which will be basically drawn either on the XY reference line or above XY reference line. But in the problem statement it is written side or edge in HP, that means my true length will be on the XY line. So to draw true length, I am going to draw vertical projectors. Okay, this is one projector. From this particular point I am going to draw another projector. Okay, just press escape. Okay, just zoom it. Okay, now I got two particular points here, this particular point, right? Press escape, right, and this is my basically true length. So immediately I am going to give the name. So the text, here I am selecting, okay, point to 1, and rotation angle is 0, right? So this will be my A dash, B dash, okay, and this will be my C dash, B dash, right, and this is basically my true length. Okay, so I'm going to give the dimensions here. Okay, so go to press escape. Okay, go to dimensions, select align, select this point, and this is my red. Convert this particular dimensions into cyan color. Now true length inclination is given how much? That is my problem statement. Okay, so press Z, enter. Okay, so true length inclination is given, that is 45 degree. Whenever in the problem surface or plane inclined at 45 degrees to HP is given, that means true length inclination is given. Okay, so I am selecting any of the point on this reference plane. Let us say here. Okay, this is my A dash, B dash. From this particular point I am going to select a line. Okay, just before that select on ortho and click on ortho, and one AutoCAD unit, then press tab, and the rotation angle is 45 degrees. So this is basically my 100 AutoCAD unit or one AutoCAD unit line. Okay, so I am going to select the point here. Okay, so let us check the dimensions. Okay, this dimension should be same. Yes, you can check. This is 100 mm, convert into cyan color. Two dimensions again, select angular. This particular line, this angle is basically 45. Get it converted into cyan color. Now give the naming, the text. Okay, select any point on the screen, specify height 0.1, rotation angle is 0. So usually I was selecting 0.2, but the name was little bit bigger, right? So I'm now selecting 0.1. So this is my A dash, B dash. This particular point is my C dash, D dash, right? And from this is my true length inclination, right? So now what I'm going to do, I'm going to draw perpendicular projectors from these 2 points, right? So from this particular point, this is my vertical projectors from this particular point again, right? So if it is not mapping, so what you are going to select and click on the snap. Okay, now you can see this is selected. Okay, and if it is not coming perpendicular, select ortho. Super, right? So this is now my two vertical projector lines. Similarly, I will draw projector lines from this true shape, right? From this true shape again, I am going to draw projector lines. Okay, so this is my 4 projector lines. Okay, converted into cyan color. So I got 4 points here. Okay, intersection. So immediately mark this 4th point. Okay, this is my first point, this is my second point, this is my third point, this is my 4th point. So immediately draw a line, straight line joining these 4 points. Okay, so snap or snap commands you have to regularly check. So this is my basically top view. Okay, I'm going to give the naming details. I'm selecting here. Okay, and point 1 and rotation angle is 0. Okay, so this is my top view, right? And this particular is A dash, B dash, sorry, this is my A1, this particular point is my B1, this is my C1, and this particular point is my D1, right? So I hope I have given all the dimensions and I have marked into cyan color. Yes, yes, yes. So this is basically, dear student, the solution for the projection of rectangular plane, okay, of 50 mm by 100 mm side, okay, which is inclined 45 degrees to HP, and shortest stage, this is the shortest stage AB is in HP. Okay, so I hope you like this particular video. If you like this video, please like, share and subscribe.